Hi, today I want to show you how to fly the DJI Tello with the Parrot Flypad. Why the Parrot Flypad? Because it's very simple, very lightweight and very cheap, so you don't have to invest much money for flying with the DJI Tello. So how to do this? So first of all, you still need a smartphone to fly the DJI Tello with this Flypad, and you need a special app. There are many apps for this, and I've chosen the Tello FPV app. So we are starting right now. The app connects to the Tello there, and then you can choose here controllers. Put your controller on, then search for a controller. It shows you there's a new controller found. Okay, then you choose both controllers to the Flypad. And then you will see the controller here. So you now can fly the DJI Tello with this Flypad. Let's start. Okay. Here we go. The DJI Tello flies with my controller. So you can see if I'm using the controller, the DJI flies. So there are no problems. And it works very well. It's fantastic to use this Flypad because it's very cheap and has many functions that are helpful for children. As you can see, there are many points. If you're going forward, you know where forward is, and you will not be able to go sidewards when you don't want. So there is another app called Tello Pilot. There you can use a Flypad as well. Go to the settings and choose there a controller. Then you will have, mine is connected, but when yours not, go search for devices. It will show you the Flypad there. And click it on it. Go back and use flying. Okay. We are waiting for Parrot for Connect. And there you can choose the flight controller. It is a bit slow. I don't know why. Therefore, the other app was my preferred app. Controller on. Then you have to wait until this still is not blinking anymore. You can turn off the screen controllers. And it's still blinking. It doesn't work very well, I guess. And you cannot use these sticks here. So you can see, connected to the Flypad. I can't start with this. I have to start with takeoff. But now I can fly. with a Flypad. As you can see, it's working. So no matter what app you use, you have some possibilities to fly the DJI Tello with a controller. And this controller is only $14 US, so it's very cheap. And for landing I have still to press a button. This is not working. As you have seen, you have many different options to fly a DJI Tello with a neat controller from Parrot. I would say I would prefer the first app I have told you, the Tello FPV, because it's easier to use. And if you start it, the controller is recognized very fast, and you can use takeoff and landing buttons. And I do like the design of this app much more, because it's not so candy. And it's faster to start with the drone for flying. You don't need so much time. And you can use these buttons, especially this for landing. Here we go.